works. I was looking at this, as a shaping vehicle. I thought there's something. Yeah, because what will often happen is it's like it's an interpretation of things that are close but not quite right, or just, you know, like for example, we have a spare tyre. It's unfortunate you get a flat tyre, it happens. That's why we'll carry a spare, but you know, to carry 2 spares, and on the outside I'm like, the headphones go on, we don't want to take them out. I don't know if it makes any difference, I don't know. Anyhow, I was just, it's like, because often it'll be funny, it's little things that just a little bit, I mean, so there's two spare tyres on this particular vehicle, carried on the outside. It's the second one I've just seen another before that had 2 spares as well, and it's like, you're having a rough day. And now, you know, I almost don't want to say it because it's obviously it can happen, but you get a flat tyre, it's shit. It's good to have a spare, but it's a really shitty day. Then you get 2 flat tyres, and so you're always going to carry around 2 on the outside of the car, and one's locked on apparently by padlocks. Not yet. It's actually more other stuff going on there. But yeah, I'm just saying that's a shapey vehicle. I'm sure it can happen. There'll be some people that have had a really, really bad run of luck, kind of, you know, we've all, had those times, but yeah, I mean, carrying 2, it's not we're not out in it's not crossing the Sahara or the Nullarbor or we're on Marion Road at Plimpton. Well, better to be safe than sorry, or be shapey in a hurry. We're trying to get away with the traffic's a bit thick. It's not just the traffic that's a bit cheeky. It's too late I've said it, but I'm not proud of that one. Anyhow, and what will happen is, like, I'll as I'm looking at it a little more, the Orbeez will light them up and more will come, and it becomes it's increasingly obvious. And I think that because the show starts to, they get a bit of stage fright. It's much like the fake planes. It's the same situation, really, effectively. Is the best way I could probably describe it and compare it. And that way makes sense to a small few, and it's fine. It's only probably a small few that I really have the sense to adhere through more than circumstance. Alright, I'm out. I missed my bloody turn off and everything while I'm focusing on this cheeky fellow, and that's often the distraction is a big part of the game that I'm continually playing. These two are focus. Anyhow, I've tried to get away from he's going on about such things, because attention seeking is an objective. Oh look, Nature Road, and there's two sitting here waiting in Nature Road. That's killer. I just came here to chuck a U-turn because I fucked up. That could just be their spot, their thing, you know. And they're like, another one of these stalkers that come down here and shut the U-turn, which is, fair enough. So what happens once you get sensitised to it, you're buggered. It's like I was saying just the other day to myself, maybe into the phone or some type of way. Anyone just has a headlight out now. It's just like I'm sensitised to it, right? It's a shame. I mean, they could just be, a bit sus because they're supposed to be working and they're allegedly for the, fraudulent count, whatever. I give a fuck. They're probably doing so. Yeah, because I've been sensitised to the headlight things, they've fucked with me so much. It's like, occasionally, if there are any legitimate, real men or women, they could be driving around and have a headlight, and to me, they're just a shapey motherfucker because I've been sensitised to it, effectively. That's one alternative. That's one possible scenario. Really, the other scenario is that absolutely everything I come across in this particular realm is in fact a shapey of a some or other form. I was trying to rhyme, but I can't remember what the word was. This has been happening quite a bit lately. But anyone wearing a mask at this stage, you can I'll be putting money on them. A certain shape.